This is gonna be camping for dummies.
The floor is catching on fire. We are in the middle of nowhere. It's a little bit uphill. My last boyfriend and I, should I even talk about it? I apologize for the not so great lighting right now. I am truly just outside where there is no lighting. Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. I know what you're thinking. How does girl go from penthouse New York City videos to camping in Japan? Well, that's where they say, get you a girl that can do both. Yup. No, do not ask me on a first date to go camping because I'm gonna think that you're gonna kill me. That literally sounds like a Netflix documentary, murder, crime series, podcast episode about to happen. But all that to say, today I'm gonna be camping alone in Japan. Okay, we have arrived. The thing is, I don't know if this is gonna even have anything that we want because at the end of the day, it's a family mart. Like, is this the equivalent to like, I don't know. I've never been in one. Let's park the bike. Oh, there's parking spots over here. Ooh. So the question is, what am I trying to make that I do not know? We got some salad here, some chicken. I think this is like already all cooked though. Yeah, this is definitely cooked. It's like, do we even have to do much? Less work for me. Ooh, bacon. Y'all, we're gonna shove it up with some breakfast. I could definitely make it easy on myself and just buy some pre-cooked eggs, but where's the fun in that, you know? Most definitely gonna get me some coffee. I'm gonna need this tomorrow. I'm debating on how hard I wanna make this on myself right now. I'm like, do I just get ramen and then we just boil some water and cook it? Or do I make a whole gourmet meal? You know, like what's the vibe? Make my own coffee in a cup. Honestly, we're gonna grab this. If all else fails, I'm gonna get me one of these, but guys, I don't think that we're gonna fail, okay? Ooh, we gotta pick out a little pastry for the morning, guys. A little egg omelet with some bacon and like a croissant or something. Like, what if this breakfast turns out to be really good? Some pancakes. Why does this look so cute? Should I get one of these for our dessert tonight? A little flan? Or should I get a little fruit cup? Something's telling me fruit cup. Is this tiramisu? Oh my God, we're getting tiramisu. No, because like, why am I genuinely so excited to camp right now? See, I can make it really easy on me and get one of these guys, but we're not gonna take the easy route. Oh my gosh, they have mini little wines. Look at this with like a little alpaca on it. Popcorn and watching the stars tonight, guys. Are you down? I think we're ready to check out. Oh, I just ran into a door. Oh, and I just pulled the push door. Forgot. Well, I didn't even realize. It's a little bit uphill going back. We got it. Almost there. We have all these little sticks here that we can use, right? But we need to actually like start the fire, and girl, this is not gonna work. So we have to find some dry things to hopefully catch the fire. This is gonna be camping for dummies because I imagine that my demographic doesn't go camping every single day. Girl, I don't either. Trust me, I don't either. You can't just light a stick on fire and it'll stay on fire. You need something in there, like in the midst of the, you need something in there that'll stay on fire long enough so that the fire actually penetrates the wood enough to light it on fire. So let's go find that. There's all these like dry sticks and stuff that we can use. All this tiny little branches. Like, what is, this seems dry. Let's grab some of her. Oh my gosh, are those just like bugs? That's disgusting, but she's gonna work. I don't know what this is, but she looks very dry. We're gonna use her. What I'm gonna do is put some sticks here at the bottom so that when it does catch fire, there's something underneath it. Guys, I haven't camped in years. I'm acting like I know what I'm talking about. I do not know what I'm talking about. We have some super dry things. I'm gonna start building like a little teepee around this girl. Fuck. Fuck. Whew. This is good for now, and then if the fire actually successfully starts, we will add big logs. But girl, we don't even know if this is gonna work. We don't know if this is gonna work. Thankfully though, I do have a lighter, so we're not starting this from rubbing some rocks together. We need like some sort of paper. Okay, we're gonna use some of this packaging to hopefully light this fire. Hopefully it works. Yeah, this is not looking too hot. I'm like, I really could just like try and light this fucking stick right now. Okay, we're gonna stick her in there and then light it again. I believe in myself. Girl, she's not wanting to start. Okay, I'm gonna try to rip the plastic off of this because it's just like the image on this packaging, which is making it not want to light, you know? We're gonna rip her off and then we'll have some fresh cardboard. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Is she doing something? Please work. Please work. Oh my gosh, guys, all that dry stuff I think worked. Please do not go out. Please do not go out. I am begging you, you know. Oh. Do not catch the fucking floor on fire, girl. Okay, small sticks, small sticks. Did we just do this without a fire starter? I am so proud of myself. We gotta start adding in logs. So I'm gonna start ripping off the bark off this thing. Oh, she's working. I'm gonna add another log. Like, I'm kind of scared. I just started a fire. Now we just have to try to sustain her. Fire is complete. Now that we've done that successfully, it is time to actually cook the food now, which, oh, yikes. Today's food of choice, I decided to opt for some pre-packaged curry, rice that you have to boil. Tomorrow in the morning is when we're actually gonna start using the fucking pan, making some eggs and stuff, but I thought tonight I would keep it easy on me since this was already gonna be a challenge. I have some water here. I have a pot. We're gonna need to boil some water because in order to cook this curry and rice, you need to put it in some hot water. So I'm going to move this stick so I have a flat surface and then put this thing on top of it. Slay. Oh my god, why is the floor catching on fire? The floor is catching on fire. Is that okay? Or am I about to burn this bitch up? I think we're fine, but the floor is on fire. Yeah, so this is the ground. I don't know, guys. I'm kind of scared because in Canada, it's like all about safety and all that stuff about fires because, girl, we've been having forest fires all the time, so I'm kind of scared. Okay, we have some water. Now we wait. Fun fact, it's not about how big the flame is. It's about like the embers and the coals underneath. Like all the white stuff is the heated stuff that's actually gonna cook her up. All right, I literally don't know how long this is gonna take. Am I gonna see some stars tonight? I'm kind of worried that she's gonna go out. I'm gonna go grab some more sticks. Be right back. I literally walked 2 meters, not even. I'm like, oh my God, the camping gear is like actually working. I'm so messy right now. Oh, don't do that, babes. Don't do that. And now we wait. My eyes age. Tomorrow morning, we have some eggs, coffee. Ooh, we have our wine for the night. Oh, our tiramisu. Girl, we're eating good. Oh, I forgot I got miso soup. Our bacon for tomorrow morning. I got some cheese, because, you know, cheese with my omelet. I also got some pancakes for tomorrow. And then we have some rice. Where's my tofu? Where's my curry? Is my ass dirty right now? It feels dirty. My curry. Oh my gosh, and then popcorn for tonight. In here I have my basket, you know, some pans and all that stuff. This is for my miso soup, my rice and curry. And then this is for our breakfast tomorrow. And then this is for the coffee tomorrow. We'll boil some water in here. I wonder how the water's doing. This is very relaxing. This is my chair that I have. Ow. Wait, I'm gonna be honest, I've never used it. Oh. And now we wait.
10 years later.
Gosh, guys. Okay, the water sounds like it's boiling. Doesn't it sound like the water's boiling? Oh my gosh, we've successfully boiled water. Oh my God, I'm so proud of myself. Guys, we did it. Just to know that you watching this video right now, you know that, you know, if you ever got stranded because your plane crashed, you would survive. Let's grab some water for our miso soup. Nice. Now, all we gotta do is put this in and then also this. And now we wait. Let's make the miso soup. A little miso soup packet. Oh, the little cubes of tofu. Look at it. Do you think that my rice is done? Ooh, she's hot. Okay, I think she's ready. We got some boiled rice. Let me grab some sticks. The smoke is blowing. Look at that. All you gotta do is just a little, you know?
The power of our breath is so powerful. All you just have to do is...
Girl. I think that's good. Girl. Why is the top of the rice still cold? Let's throw her back in there. Oh my gosh, the water is sizzling, bro. That rice is definitely cooking right now. Yup. Look at that thing. All we have to do is just, look at that, guys. We have some cooked rice. Transfer her into here. Guys, you know, it'd be so fun if I like just camped in every country that I travel to. Now that would be an experience. I want to like camp on a mountain. Got the heated up curry packet. Oh, she's hot. Wow, guys. Bone apple tea with my little wine. Oh, this looks good. Cheers. Let's try the miso soup. Why do I actually love it? Oh my gosh. I'm like, this is 5 out of 5 stars in my opinion. That's really good vibes. Damn. Kind of looked a little bit questionable coming out the packet, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, she's hot. Damn, y'all. When they said Japan had good food, they were not lying. Oh my god, why am I thoroughly impressed? I'm like 5 out of 5 stars. This is better than the food that I had on the first class flight. Coming here. If you guys haven't watched that video already, go watch it. Got some potatoes, some carrot. Where should I camp next? Let me know down in the comments. I'm like, maybe somewhere in America. It doesn't have to be like in another continent, you know? Subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. And it lets me know that you guys like the travel content, so I should do more. Can you tell if I liked it or not? We still need to set up my bed. Damn. I like have a couple books I could read as well, but I'm just like, girl, I'm gonna pass out. We still have our tiramisu. We still have this if I really am hungry, but it was a success. All right, it's a little bit, why am I whispering, bro? Literally nobody can hear me. All right, it's a little bit later now, so it's not quite time for bed yet. I still want to read and journal, so I'm gonna set my scale up. Oh, nice. Time, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Time for some dessert. Oh my god, this actually looks amazing. Tiramisu is like one of my favorite desserts. I know Japan's known for having good food, but what's so crazy is like I heard something in somebody's like video that it's like no matter what cuisine it is, like Japan is gonna kill it. Like whether you're eating Italian, Chinese, Thai, they're gonna kill it. And I'm like, how do they do that? Oh, but I don't want to lay though. Oh. That's not what I wanted to do. I have been journaling this whole time. I'm like actually almost done this journal. I brought another one with me though. I've just been journaling a lot in future tense, but in a way of like writing as if it's happening now. So instead of saying like, oh, I can't wait to do this, or I'm gonna do this, or I really want to do this, I've been writing like, wow, I can't believe this just happened. I always knew that I could do it. It's so crazy that 1 year ago I was talking about doing this and we just did this. It went so well, and I like dated it as January 2025, which I don't do it that often. Like I feel like I used to more, but I just feel like I haven't done it recently. But I forgot, like that's how I started to fill up journals, was when I started just writing about like fake things. And I feel like that's like how I created the life that I have, is by acting as if it already happened. And I feel like I haven't done that in a while. That's what I've been doing. I have 5 million subscribers. Wow. Seeing an emoji in Footy Co with 5 million. They're big time YouTubers. And now I have 5 million. Do I? No, kidding. But you could help me. It's like nice and salty, buttery. I know it sounds crazy, but I feel like in another life, I lived in Japan. And I know this sounds even crazier, but I feel like this lady that I'm staying with, Aki, I feel like she's like a reflection of me right now when I'm older. But like, I just feel it. I'm just like, oh my god. She has this dog, and her dog is like 17 years old. And I'm like, oh my god, me girl, me and Sterling. And she like loves camping, and she like loves making handmade things, and she loves hosting people. Girl, that's gonna be me when I'm older. Kind of makes me think like, am I gonna have a husband? It's like, I love having a boyfriend. I actually really do. I love being alone as well, but I love having a boyfriend. My last boyfriend and I, should I even talk about him? Fuck it, whatever. We had so much fun together. We would goof around all the time, and that was my favorite thing about us. He was so funny, and like we would laugh all the time, but like I feel like slowly we stopped laughing so much. Anyways, I hope he's doing well, and I'm glad that the relationship happened. I mean, I know like it wasn't meant to be because it didn't work out, but it just makes me have like a lot of hope for my future relationship, because I feel like every relationship that I go through, like I learn something new, and like I learn more about like what I prefer in a relationship, and like know what I like in somebody. And my boyfriend must like pets. My last 2 boyfriends did not like pets like that. Like my dog is the sweetest dog on earth, and like why weren't they fucking with my dog like that? And I feel like that is definitely gonna be a sign. If somebody doesn't fuck with my pet, bye. And if you are still listening to this, comment. Oh my god, that's my favorite popcorn. Time to set up the bed. Alright, I need to go grab a pillow. My eyes are killing me right now. Oh, why do my allergies always just act up at the most random times? We're gonna be okay. Hopefully I don't get too cold. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'll see you tomorrow morning at 4:30 a.m. Good night. Good morning. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's actually raining right now. But yesterday, I actually had such a good sleep. Girl, I don't think I woke up once. That was so good. The time was currently 4:30 a.m. I think the sun's about to rise. Oh my gosh, the sounds of nature is so pretty. I need to pee. My first thought was to sing Good Morning USA. I got a feeling that it's gonna be a wonderful day. Yeah, the sun and sky, the clouds on my face. Hey, imagine dating me and then you wake up and then you hear me start singing that, because that is a true story. Did it. Ooh, the pan is sizzling. She's ready. Nice, and then we can use the bacon fat to cook the eggs. Let's cook us an egg. Damn, that looks good. Well, let's try this coffee though. Tastes like coffee. She's good. Should I try to flip this egg? Ooh, ain't no way I just actually made a fried egg out here. Oh. Breathe in. So good. Ooh, and she's a runny yolk too? Girl, I did not just chef that up. Oh my god. Damn, I'm thoroughly impressed. Who wants to go camping? Should I like host Camp Alchemy? Delicioso. And in a snap of a finger, everything is gonna be cleaned up. 3, 2, boom. It is kind of clean. I did do an outfit change, but that was a camping success.